With a smooth, black stainless steel finish, this 36-inch under-cabinet range hood will provide style and function for your kitchen. At the bottom of the range hood, 3 stainless steel baffle filters in black finish keep unwanted oil particles from leaving odors and keep your kitchen fresh. They can be easily cleaned through your dishwasher and can easily be put back with no hassle. The 2 LED lights illuminate the cooktop for moments when cooking in dark conditions. The push buttons panel control lights and give you 3-speed fan option. Thank you for watching AKDY. Let your home do more.